My name is Daniel with Arizona Leak Pros. One of the number one questions we get is how to do a bucket test. The other thing is there's a lot of ways that people are doing bucket tests out there that are the wrong way. So we're going to show you the right way of doing it. You're going to need a bucket. You're going to need some tape. You're also going to need a marker to be able to mark it. All right, so first we're going to tape the outside of the bucket. Then we're going to tape the inside of the bucket. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fill this bucket up, and you're going to want it about almost 1 inch up to the top of the bucket. Now we have to wait until this water kind of settles down so that way we can mark it. During that time, what we're going to do is we're going to shut off the autofill to the pool, and we're going to shut down all the equipment. All right, so now we're going to mark the outside of the bucket and the inside of the bucket. We're going to get that as close as we can to the water. All right, now we're just going to come back in 24 hours and then remark the bucket, and I'll show you what to do from there. All right, now that we waited 24 hours, we're going to go ahead and do some markings. We're going to mark the outside of the bucket on where the water currently is, and then also do the same thing on the inside of the bucket. Now we're going to go ahead and empty out the bucket. And now with your ruler or your tape measure, we're going to measure the differences. The inside of the bucket's about 1/4 of an inch. The inside of the bucket's going to represent evaporation. The outside of the bucket is about 2 inches. So this pool is leaking and would need a leak detection. So let's say you did a marking, and when you came back after the 24 hours, you lost the same amount of water from the outside to the inside. That would just indicate it's just normal evaporation, and there would be no concern for leaks or needing a leak detection. All right, now that you know how to do a bucket test, if you decide that you do need leak detection, give us a call. If you do have any questions on setting up this bucket test, give us a call as well. We're happy to answer any of your questions.